Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to take you out into the field, into the war zone, the battlefield. It's not really a battlefield, it's more like new appliances, renovated bathrooms, freshly painted walls. But I'm going to take you out because I realized I didn't really bring you along to see inside of a property. So right now, if you know, the real estate market is on fire. If you're buying or you're selling, if you're doing rentals, not so much. But properties pretty much going off the shelves like toilet paper back in March of last year. I'm going to show you what it's like inside of this property, you know, the new finishes, how much it costs, all that good stuff. Take you along and, you know, just tell me what you think. Pretty much a day in the life. So, QB roll now. Okay, let's go. So, we in our first property for the day. Beautifully renovated, fully renovated, single family home out east in Long Island. You have brand new countertops. Look at these brand new lights, brand new cabinets, brand new stove, brand new, everything brand new, everything brand new. I'm gonna give you a full tour of what my buyer's looking at. They like this property, they just left, but I'm gonna show you what they saw and show you what you can get for your money out east in Long Island, in New York, for a brand new renovated single family home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully renovated property. So come on, let me show you. Look at all this space. Like, look at this. Beautiful recessed lights, hardwood floors, plenty of dining space if you want to have your family over. You know, it's COVID out, so you're not really going out to eat. You know, you bring the family over to you where your spot is at. Get the dining table out, maybe group of 6, put your TV back there on the wall or something. Oh, we're not going to go upstairs, so don't worry about that. Look at the kitchen. Open concept kitchen. Nice little countertop for breakfast, whatever you're making after you finish just cooking on the stove. Deep sink. You got your slam cabinets. You got your new microwave. I'm a little out of breath. I got to drink first. You got your new refrigerator. All right, so let me take you on to bedroom number 1. You know what? First, let's start the bathroom. People's like the bathroom. So full bathroom, all white. You know, you got the brand new toilet. You got the brand new vanity, brand new shower, brand new tub. I think the sticker is still on the tub. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's turn on some lights here. Bedroom 1, decent size. If you're in a queen size bed, you got your closet over here. You know. Nothing too crazy, but pretty decent size. And let's go to my favorite room right here, the master bedroom. Now, in the master bedroom, this is space. I want you to stand right here and let me walk all the way to the bathroom. Look at this. Look at this. This is the master bedroom right here. Full, you know, you can easily fit a king size bed, put the TV on the wall, and in your master bedroom, put some lights on. You got your private bathroom, full bathroom. I don't even know how to look at the shower. They just left, and I didn't even know how to operate the shower. You know, it's like 3 buttons, 3 holes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. No, that's not it. Wait, I got it. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that, beautiful. You know, you could have just impressed your guests. Can I turn this off? Is it off? I think so. Alright, we'll figure it out later. You know, nice tile work straight throughout the bathroom. And let me take you upstairs. Now we go upstairs to, you know, I kind of think of it like a 3rd bedroom, but more of like a loftish kind of feel. So it's real open. Or you know what? Since we're all working from home now, maybe you could just turn this into your office, really. So, and you got 3 closets here. 1, 2, 3. Plenty of storage space. Plenty of natural sunlight. Get your skylight here. You got a window to the front yard here. You could put, you know, your office in one side, maybe a little couch on another side, just to get away from the main area. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and this is going for $500,000. Taxes are pretty low as well. Tax is still on the staircase, believe it or not. So can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. So one of the buyers that I'm working with right now put an offer in on a few houses, but they really have their mind set on one particular house. Now, they happen to be a first-time home buyer, so I see this a lot where they get emotionally attached to, you know, one of the houses where, you know, they're solely just invested in that one house and not really, they have tunnel vision now and they're not really paying attention to any other house. And unfortunately, with this market right now, it's so hot that, like, you know, putting an offer at asking is almost not enough anymore. So right now they put in a pretty strong offer, to be honest with you, and the response we got was pretty much, you know, that ain't it. Like, you know, come harder. My buyers are gonna put in another offer for the same house, a stronger offer. But what I always say is, you know, you don't want to get too emotionally invested in any house right now. You know, the way the market is set up right now is super hot, and you know, it's not guaranteed that just because you put an offer on a house that you're gonna get it. You still have to think about the numbers, think about if it makes sense. You know, there will be other opportunities, and you just wanna, you know, think critically about things. You know, you just don't want to overpay for something, especially in this market where you could be in a bidding war and go, I've seen $80,000 above asking. So it's just to keep my buyer on the right track. I want them to make the best decision possible, so I give them as much information as possible, and I want them to think long term, not just in the moment, and I don't want them to make a decision based on emotions. So, you know, it's rough because I see it a lot where you're a first-time home buyer, you have your mind made up, like, this is the house for me, this is the house that I want, and you're gonna do everything in your power to make sure you try to get that house, and I'm gonna assist you with that. But I also want you to make a good decision. So, and unfortunately in this market, sometimes, you know, you have to roll with the punches, and it may not go your way, and you know, they just may outbid you. You may not even be able to qualify for the house you want anymore, the way the market is set up. So, but you got to keep going. You can't stop, right? So the reason why we say don't get emotionally invested in these properties is because if it doesn't work out, what will you do next? You have to think about plan A, plan B, plan C. And if you have multiple offers out in the house, you're not just going to stop just because the property that you originally wanted, you know, fell through. So that's what the market is like right now, where, you know, houses, like I said, they're just going off the shelves. So, you know, it's to stay focused, keep submitting offers on properties that you like, and hopefully one of them will pan out. The market is super tough right now, so it's key to have an agent that has good relationships with other agents and knows how to make sure that your offer, you know, just stands out. And we'll just keep on hunting. I feel bad for the buyer. Right now, it's really a seller's market. Interest rates are coming back up though, so things may be changing a little, but you want to take advantage right now. Keep your buyers on track. Make sure your agent has, you know, your best interest at heart, and do what you got to do. So let's see how it pans out. We're back in the office. Well, I'm back in the office. You're probably at home or you're at work, you know, somewhere watch this video. Don't watch and drive. But I'm back in the office and I'm getting up to, you know, answer this email and send up some other additional offers. So let's just recap what just happened. So while I was showing a property, the property I was showing you, let me know if you liked it, you know, leave a comment down below. While I was showing that property, I got a call and I got an email about an offer that we put out for another buyer. It was a response. It was pretty much a counter, right? So the listing agent said, hey, Jalil, give me your highest and best offer. And what that means is pretty much my buyer didn't have the highest and best offer, and this listing agent is giving us a chance to counter. If my buyer is serious, you know, what's your highest and best right now? That way the seller can make a decision. So my buyer really wants the property, so they're gonna go up a little bit, and we're gonna, you know, do another counter. So I'm back here drafting everything up, sending out new documents just to present my buyer in the best light, you know. And, you know, we'll see what happens. What I always suggest is, you know, put your best foot forward. In this market, unfortunately, everything is super hot, right? So if you're buying, you're selling, things are going quickly. All right, you remember toilet paper back last year in March? Like, yeah, houses are moving that quickly off the shelves, just like that. So you gotta be quick with it. So I ran back home because some of the documents aren't on my phone, and I'm sending an email. My buyer wants it, so my buyer decided to go up, I don't remember, it's like another 10 to 20 grand, just so they could be in a better position to get this house. And what I always tell my buyers, in this market at least, is put your best foot forward. You wouldn't be able to sleep at night knowing that you know, you did all you could. It's not like 3-4 years ago. You could save a couple dollars and, you know, negotiate a little bit and, you know, cut some off the price. Unfortunately, in this market, things are moving so fast. So if you put your best foot forward and it's like, you know, you still don't get the house, at least you know you did all you could and there's nothing else you can do. Versus wondering what if you had added an extra $5,000 or $10,000. And I always tell people, like, it's more about the terms of the deal than it is the actual price of the deal. Like, the terms are super important. Just because you have the highest offer doesn't necessarily mean you'll get the house. So here we are. Let me know what you think of the house that I showed you. Let me know what you think of the style of video. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. It's Monday. Well, no, tomorrow is Monday, right now it's Sunday, and I'm drafting up this email to get ready. So when, you know, the people I'm working with, they get back to the office, they already see Jalil's email right there. I want my email, just give me 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So when they get to the office, I want them to see that, chill out. So when they get to the office, I want them to see that, yeah, it's not gonna work.